Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to open the lift gate, just grab underneath here, push the button, it will automatically open. We're going to pull this trim piece off right here. We're going to need to remove this clip. We're going to use a trim piece tool to remove it. A little spot on the top, get underneath here, pry up. Once it's out a little, then that comes out completely. And we can grab this trim, pull it straight forward. It pops right off. Some clips in there. We're going to take these Phillips head screws out. There's two right there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull those out. We're going to grab the taillight. Grab underneath here, the side, pull it straight back. Might fight you a little bit. These little pieces go into these little slots. To disconnect the wires, I'm going to push this connector right here, down on the lock and pull it out. Little lock right here. Push that down. Pull that one out. And the bottom one, the wiring harness is held in by this clip. Pull that off. And then right here, push this connector down. There's a lock right at the top. Slide that out. All right, we're going to remove this reverse light bulb. Just grab it, twist it to the left, pull it out. This bulb is an HPC 16W. And we'll remove this bulb, turn it to the left, pull it out. You can grab the bulb from the socket, firmly pull it straight out. This bulb is a W21W. To reinstall, we'll line it up with the slot, lock it in. And we'll reinstall it in the taillight assembly. We're going to line this bigger slot up with this slot right here, and then turn it to the right. To install the bulb, you're going to line the tabs up right here with the holes, the slot in the assembly. Push it all the way down, turn it to the right, lock it in. Now we're going to connect the connectors. Take this connector, line it up, push it in, lock it in, and then this retainer that holds the wire, slide that on, just like that. Take this green connector, line it up, lock it in, and then this connector will go way up here, and lock it in. Make sure it's in there good. We're going to line these tabs up with the holes in the body. Get those lined up good, and then firmly push the taillight on. Now we'll install our Phillips head screws with our Phillips head screwdriver. Get that one started. We'll go down here, start this one, and we can snug it down. Not too tight, it is in plastic, so just snug. Right, we're going to align these little clips up with these holes on this trim piece. And then push it on, lock it in. Get it underneath the weather stripping. Right there. And then we have this little clip. Position that and then push it down. Now close the lift gate.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.